Right guys, good morning. This is going to show you how to install your DirectV antenna. They gave you this little book with the compass and you line up the red dots exactly as it shows. So this where the blue arrow points is your direction where the antenna needs to point up to. Hello guys, we're continuing with the installation. So I showed you where to put the little compass they gave you and how to set it up. You basically put the compass on the paper and you rotate it till you get the two red arrows like this to line up. And once you get them lined up, that tells you the direction, which way you need to point your dish. This is the low noise amplifier where you pop this black thing out to connect your coax cable to connect to your thing. The book has all the instructions on the bolts, but I still want to show you a couple things. This is the cut sheet they sent you. If you could ever try to figure out what they were saying in all those fine prints. I prefer to color code the stuff and make it easy. But this is the wall bracket here. The two long bolts. One is to hold the weight. The next one is to allow you to go up and down, which is your elevation. And they give you this little bubble in here. That's going to tell you when your mast is perfectly vertical once you get the bubble in the center. So you see, once you mount it on a vertical wall and you get that bubble center, you know your mask is perfectly vertical. Then they give you this other bracket back here to put the dish onto the top of the pole. There's 3 bolts that's gonna hold this up. I want to show you this real careful. The 2 short ones, I notice they go from the inside out. So this way the pole will go right up to the top and hit on the bolt head. So that's the weight will rest on the bolt head of the antenna. Then there's also a long bolt that you can guide to. This will control your elevation up and down. And when you swing the antenna left and right, that's going to be your azimuth. So there's another 2 short bolts that fit on here to screw on. There are 4 gray bolts that come in the pack. There's these guys here, and I'll flip it over. Hello DirectV. So you see the 4 gray bolts in there. Those mount the bracket on there. This is your low noise amplifier arm, and basically this is gonna go pop right in there. Take that bolt back out. I just put it there to guide and show you guys. Pass your cables through here, come up, and then you connect it. So this is part 1 of the install. So after we get this installed, we gotta align it to the 268 degrees west from Trinidad in the Caribbean, and then we do our fine-tuning, and then you call up and you activate your service. So that's it, and I'll talk to you guys in a bit when we put the dish up. Have a great day now. Thank you.